Hello again. This is the 2-point perspective box demo. Now make sure you're paying attention. It's 2-point perspective. It's going to be similar to the 1-point perspective which we did last time, which looked like this. All right, but we're going to use the concept of 2 points. So first thing that you're going to do, if you have your ruler, now I will go back and use the clear triangle that I've got going on here. I'm going to go ahead and draw my horizon line. And with 2-point perspective, if you haven't already guessed, it's going to be 2 points on the horizon line. One on the left and one on the right. So this will be 1 point. And this is the second point. We will connect each box to each one. So this one's different. Last time I had you guys draw the box first. This time you will not be doing that. And this time around, you will be drawing a single line and then connecting it to each vanishing point, both top and bottom. So for example, if I was creating box 1, I'm going to start by drawing a vertical line. Now remember, all you need to do is pause this video anytime you need to go back or rewind it. So focusing on point 1, I'm going to take the top of this vertical line and the bottom of this vertical line and connect it to the vanishing point of vanishing point 1. So the top and the bottom. All right. Now I need to do this exact same thing to 2. So bottom and top. Right? Bottom and top. Now, once you guys get the hang of it, we won't draw these lines connecting. We only draw what we need. Okay, so I've got this started. Now I need to create the end of the box. So I like to put my ruler up here on my vertical line I already created, kind of slide it over so that way I have a nice parallel line. All right, so that would be the edge of my box. And then same here. Line it up on my ruler, slide it over, draw a vertical line. All right, now that's just the sides. We need to complete the bottom. And on that, to complete the bottom, I would then have to connect this side to this corner. So I know it's a lot of lines, but it ends up creating this really unique look. And then, right, and then I need to do the same thing to the other side. Oof. There we go. My ruler just slid just a little bit, but that's okay. All right, so I actually had my first box, right? I could erase everything when I'm done to clean it up. You don't have to if you don't want to, it's up to you, but I'm going to do the same thing for another one. If you're having issues where you can't see stuff, that's fine. Clean it up. Just simply erase. You guys should have extra erasers in your art kit, but I'm going to do the same thing. First, I start off with a vertical line. Then I connect them to both of my vanishing points using the top and the bottom. But since this is the second one, I'm only going to draw what we need. All right, so I connected both vanishing points, top and bottom. And then I just need to connect these with a vertical line. I only draw what I need. Right? And then I need to complete the bottom portion. Draw what I need. And draw what I need. So I'm connecting to the other vanishing point over here. All right, so that's what the box is going to look like without all of the excessive lines. Now I'm going to draw a vanishing point, or sorry, a vertical line on this horizon line and connect them to my 2 vanishing points. I'm going to get rid of some of those extra lines. I'm only going to do 1 in the center. Now we will work with this kind of a little bit more closely. This will be more of an example of a building type that we will use. These will be, once again, for things like billboards and patios or, you know, decks above stuff. All right, so if this is my new line, I'm going to connect the top and the bottom. my vanishing point. Now, you could just draw what you need, which is what I should have done, and I'll do now from here on out. Drawing what I only need. And then draw a vertical line connecting. So I've got side of one box. What's great about these is you don't have to worry about the top or the bottom. So if you do this correctly, you don't have to worry about it. All right, so I've got the start of my box. And then I'll have a vertical line. That one's it. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to do the same thing like I did up here for the bottom. It'll just be a little bit different. So just create a vertical line. All right. We're going to connect it to my vanishing point, but only draw what you need. So the bottom, the top, so remind you it's connected, lining up. I'm going to close it off, right? Then I need to connect it over here. Close it off. So this one's going to be number 4. And then I need to connect these corners to the vanishing point. So this one will go that way, and this one will go that way. All right, so that's box number 4. Once again, if you need to, rewind this video, right? Same thing, I'm going to create a 5th and final box. I need to connect the top and bottom to both vanishing points. Let's go this way this time, right? I like to think that these kind of look like an open book before you put the tops on. We need to do a vertical line, right? And then the top and the bottom. Connect it with the vertical line on the end, and I just need to see how it kind of looks like an open book. I need to connect this corner to this one, this corner to that one. Only draw what you need. All right, this will be box 5. We're only going to do 5 for this demo. If for any reason you guys need assistance, just rewind the video, pause it. I know I kind of went quickly. There's only so much time that you can upload a video to YouTube for before it times you out. So wanted to keep these under 10 minutes for that particular reason. Like I said, rewind it if you need to. We're just doing the 5 boxes for this assignment. It will get attached and turned in later, or we're turning it into Google Classroom. I'll post all the instructions in the chat.